you need something quick, fast, and easy, this is the way to do it. So we have Aunt Jemima, or whatever your favorite complete pancake mix is. You just eyeball, put a little something up in there. Let's see. That should be about good there. All right, now it says water, but I'm about to get some buttermilk. Let me see if it's, what the hell did it say? It says 627.25. What's the day? You can't even tell if it's old or not, because like buttermilk already smell daggone sour. Well, we're gonna use it anyway. And use the rest of it. I like my pancakes to be a little thinner, so I'm gonna add some more liquid to that, some water here. Why are you trying to record my edges?
Ain't nobody recording your edges.
Like, what the hell?
Okay, what was I supposed to record, the water?
And it should look like this. Some bubbles, a little lumps. Fine. Perfection. All right, so next we're going to heat up this pan. You know what? No, we're gonna let the pancake mix just rest for a minute. Let's start on the strawberries. Sliced strawberries, frozen. Got these out the frozen section. And just pour your desired amount. And you can save the leftover for ice cream, cakes and pies, whatever it is that you want to do with strawberry syrup. Make some lemonade. That's a good idea, actually. I might do that for Finnegan's. Okay. That. Then we're going to put in some vanilla paste. This is just going to give it a little extra flavor. Let me get a spoon. Here we go. Come on. Probably about that much, maybe a little more. Okay. All right, so vanilla paste. We're gonna put a little sea salt in there. Just a sprinkle. And that's it. Now, let that simmer. Put it on maybe medium low. Cover it and just let it go. Now I'm gonna start on the pancakes. The mix has rested. You see it kind of rose up a little bit. Okay, so we let that heat up. I love to use ghee for pancakes. It makes it nice, crispy, and buttery. So we're gonna do that here. Spatula, ladle. So let's add some ghee to the pan. All nice and warmed up there. We're gonna drop our first pancake, a whole ladle full. You gotta make sure your fire is perfect because it can get burnt on the outside, raw on the inside, so on and so forth. I do like my pancakes a little medium brown. A little darker if it has some extra butter and syrup, but we're going to leave it at right here and see how that looks. All right, and we will be back. All right, so get a close-up of the strawberries there and see how it's already bubbling. So we can go ahead and give it a little stir. Get that, and it's already, you see the syrup already forming, getting all nice and thick. Let's taste it. Mmm, delicious. Now let's get to these pancakes. Flipper, perfect. This is perfection. This is how the pancake is supposed to look. Look at how all the little holes and little crispy edges. Look at that. Listen to this. So we're gonna let that cook, and that was probably less than 2 minutes on that one side. So we're gonna let this cook on this side, and then we're gonna remove it. And this is how we start our process of making the strawberry cream pancakes. Here is the finished pancake. Nice and crispy, warm. So we just set that to the side here and get a little pat of butter, just depending on how buttery you like it. And then we repeat the process. Check on our sausages down here. Look at those. Add a couple of fresh strawberries in this batter. You got a close-up of that? Do you have a close-up of it?
Yep.
Get your... Go ahead and cover that. Okay. We're gonna let that rock out. Rock out. Put a little butter on this pancake here. All of the other pancakes are nice and buttered. Okay. All right, so this is ready to be flipped. You see the strawberries are all nice and melded into that batter. Perfect. Perfect. Just a flip of the wrist. What's that Migos song? Flip of the wrist. How it go?
I don't know.
Man.
I don't listen to the Migos.
Yes, you do.
Don't nobody listen to no Migos.
They from Atlanta.
Okay, I don't listen to the Migos no more.
Hmm?
Oh no.
What about Jeezy and T.I.? What about Future?
I love Future.
You
No.
really like Future.
You don't know nothing about no Future.
Now what about Jeezy and T.I.?
I don't listen to none.
You don't know nothing about no Future.
Name one song.
Uncle Lot leaving magic. And I got him out of magic. See? And that's a throwback. So I've been on Future. All you know is March Madness.
What?
It's not pancake syrup. This is maple syrup, grade A dark color. I love dark flavors, so just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. Like really, just a little. Like that. Just so you can have a little maple flavor. That is delicious. Ooh, so good. Okay. And then we got our strawberry syrup that has been sitting, still warm as you can see. We're gonna take a little bit of that juice. Look at the juice. See that vanilla bean in there? Put a little bit of that on top. Then we'll put a little bit of strawberries on there. Perfect. I'll put some more syrup on the top after. Then, whipped cream. Ready Whip extra creamy. Extra creamy. Oh, what the hell? Gorilla Glue on this thing? Oh, let me flip this first. Come on, we're working with a monster here.
Huh? I don't speak no DMV.
You wish you was from DMV so bad. Okay. Get up in there. Come on with the close-up. Malik, is it close-up?
Yes, it's close.
How you know it's close-up?
Because I'm...
That ain't... But it's still on 1.6. You gotta... Like that. Perfect. Then we're gonna add some fresh strawberries. Did you put it back?
Yeah.
To what?
1.6.
Okay. We got some fresh strawberries we're gonna add on there. And then we wanna put a little bit more of this strawberry syrup. Just drizzle it over the top there. There you have it. This is a masterpiece. Does that not look good? Strawberries, a little surprise pancake up there. Strawberry syrup, real maple syrup, whipped cream, fresh strawberries. Now let's taste. Let's taste this here. Look how soft and buttery that is. Oh my. Me. Look at that. Does that not look delicious? Malik. Put a little whipped cream on there. Let's taste. Mmm. 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 That was in a pie eating contest or pancake eating contest.
You win.
I win. I don't understand, like, when people doing the food challenges, y'all don't eat fast. Like, you can open your mouth and eat 4 pieces of pancake at one time. I can eat this whole thing in 2 minutes.
People wait till they swallow to get the second bite.
I know, you're supposed to...
Like, you're supposed to chew?
Chew and then put some more. And then chew and put some more. Like, you're not about to win no challenge by trying to chew 23 times. Then it's buttery, crispy on the edges. The strawberry and that surprise pancake was just immaculate. And this whipped cream and the strawberry, it's so good. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you like this recipe, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave your tips, tricks, and suggestions in the comments below. And we will see you another time, okay?
Don't nobody want your food.